Hello everyone, welcome back. Art of Homemaking has reached its first 1000 subscribers. I have uploaded my first video on Feb 8th and within 3 months it has reached its 1000 subscribers count. It could not be happen without all your support, and I take this opportunity to specially thank each and everyone who watch, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Quick compilation of all my videos and followed by Eggless chocolate microwave mug cake by my daughter, and I'm taking down all your requests and will come up with more new videos with great content. I have created playlists of all these videos and left links of these in the description box down below. You can check it if you are interested, and you can also check icon for all the videos. Let's start making the cake.
Hello everyone! For this cake you will need 2 tablespoons of sweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of baking soda and salt. Mix all your dry ingredients together. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix it thoroughly and without any lumps. If you mixed it, you should get a thick chocolate batter like this. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. You can take it out of the cup. I am using store-bought chocolate fudge. You can use any topping you want. I went for this because it's my favorite. I'm also adding a few chocolate chips to make it taste good. You certainly don't have to, but that's what I wanted. After this, you can enjoy your tasty dessert. Thanks for watching. Voila, your cake dessert is ready.